Welcome everyone to another video of Precision Design and Build Inc. And we would like to share with you another project that we almost finished with, to share with you with some details of that project. Please come along. So here we are at an entrance of a fully remodeled house where we did an addition in the front and we did an addition in the back. So we added the square footage to this bedroom over here, and we did also add another 3 feet approximately to the entrance to give a bigger entrance. Welcome. So here is a nice hallway with high ceiling, so we have a feeling of space. On my right side from the entrance we have a brand new dining room. On the left from the entrance we have a half bathroom for the guest, almost finished. And in the front of it we have a little closet. If we go through the dining room, you'll see that we're going to get into two sections. This is like the pantry area with countertop, and here we continue and we have the kitchen. So the kitchen area, we're still waiting for some cabinetry coming from Germany, so we can finalize the installation of the cabinets and the countertop. Over here we're going to have a nice big island with an overhang so we can put some stools. And right here we have our living room with a vaulted ceiling, so we can keep the same vibe and the same space. You know, we would like to have this big space feeling. And then if we go to the left side of the house, so we have our main hallway. To my right we have our primary bedroom with a primary closet to its left with pocket door, nice custom pocket doors, all stained. Here's the primary bedroom that is giving a view of the backyard. And over here with also a pocket door, custom pocket door stained, we have our primary bathroom. We have our toilet on the left, double sink vanity on the right with tactile mirrors, LED. And here is the shower. We're still waiting for the custom shower glass to be delivered. And now we go back to the hallway to continue our visit. And obviously for these nice beautiful doors, we put some door stoppers over here so nothing gets banged. Here on my right, there's another bedroom with a little closet. We continue over here. On my left, we have the laundry room with stackable units and also access to the attic with the ladder. Little linen closet built in. We have another bathroom with a bathtub for the kids. Toilet on my right, double sink, vanity. And over here, across from that bathroom, we have another bedroom with a nice big closet to store a lot of things over here. Back to the hallway to my left, we have another nice bedroom, a little closet over here. And this is basically the tour of the inside, practically finished. Now I'm going to give you a tour from the outside.